Hypophora. A rhetorical term in which the speaker asks a question and immediately answers it. This type of rhetorical question is used to help maintain curiosity and interest in the subject the author is talking about. Speakers use hypophora in order to raise questions that the reader may have on his or her mind and proceeds to answer them directly. Hypophora can also be used to raise questions that the speakers have themselves or introduce other materials of importance. This device is also sometimes used as a way to transition from one topic to another, usually at the beginning of a paragraph. In Letter from Birmingham Jail, when talking about just and unjust laws, Martin Luther King Jr. asks, "Now what is the difference between the two? How does one determine whether a law is just or unjust? A just law is a man-made code that squares with the moral law or the law of God. An unjust law is a code that is out of harmony with the moral law." By using hypophora, King addresses two questions that the recipient of the letter may have when reading his response. In the previous paragraph, he stated that there were two types of laws, just and unjust, and that only just laws should be followed. Naturally, after seeing this, a reader of this essay may be unsure about the argument and wonder what the difference between these two laws are. By anticipating, posing, and answering these questions, King ensures full clarity of his point so that the audience, the recipient of the letter, is able to completely understand his argument. Additionally, King opens the paragraph with this rhetorical device in order to go into further detail and elaborate on this idea of the difference between the two laws. By using this hypophora, King maintains the interest and comprehension of the audience while smoothly transitioning from one topic to the next.